You and I both know that there are a lot of canceled plans this 2020. And if you are still considering in buying a travel planner or a planner in general this 2021, well, keep on watching as I'm going to unbox my all-time favorite planner, again from Where to Next, the WTN Where to Next Travel Planner 2021. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your Lost Bisaya boy, Michael Pedemonte. And for those who don't know, for those who don't care, well, yeah, if you'd like, you can subscribe me and hit the notification bell for you to get notified whenever we have new videos here in my channel. And it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. Sorry, because I'm busy with my personal life, with work. Well, I actually have ordered a planner for 2021, and still that's from Where to Next. So yeah, I've been using Where to Next planners since, I guess that's 2017. So that's 4 years now. This is the Where to Next 2017 planner, the 2018. I have the 2019, which is a bit different from the others. And then we have here the 2020 travel planner of Where to Next. So by far I have 4. And recently Where to Next had this promo during their anniversary. So happy anniversary, guys. Feeling close. Actually, I only bought one planner, but during their anniversary, they had this promo. You can either have freebies, have a discount, or none at all. And luckily for me, the reward that I got from that promo they had was a coupon code that allows me to grab one extra planner when I purchase one planner. So that is perfect. I'm thinking of giving this to my partner, or maybe I could do some giveaway. Let me just get first the parcel that I got from the Where to Next. Alright, so here it is, guys. Their partner delivery for this year is Blitz Delivery. So now, without further ado, let's unbox, unwrap rather, this planner. So I'm actually having a hard time. Whoa! Travel with passion and purpose. Travel with passion and purpose. Alright, so I actually got 2 planners for next year. Maybe I'll give this to my partner or do some giveaways. So watch out, guys. Also, they have an option. When you purchase a planner, you can have an add-on which consists of vinyl stickers. If you'd like some, go ahead. But the promo that I have won actually applies to the planner without those stickers. Maybe I could just purchase them separately. So yeah, I have 2 here, so we'll open only just one because they're actually the same. And they have this cute card, which I know is hand painted, maybe watercolor. This is it. I'm going to open it. So this comes with a paper sleeve, which actually feels premium, designed in Manila, Philippines. So it reads, "There's so much literature dedicated to honoring milestones. You become conditioned to assume that life will be better once you have the perfect job, the ideal home, or the right partner. But if you are too busy chasing after extraordinary moments, you might miss out on the joy of what you have now." That is correct. In the pages of this planner, you will read stories from people who are trying to make sense of the in-between moments of their lives. May this planner serve as a trusted companion as you make meaningful choices in yours. A portion of our proceeds will fund livelihood projects of 8 communities in Yangil and Botolan, Zambales, Philippines. The focus is on 2 causes that are close to our hearts: reforestation and education. So actually, guys, if you purchase this one, you're actually supporting a greater cause brought to us by Where to Next. It's supported by their passion and their purpose. So some of the features: we have 11 stories from local writers and visual artists, 1 interactive page to define your own in-betweens, the 2021 and 2022 calendars, dateless monthly spreads and weekly pages. This is actually what I love about these planner because they are dateless. We have a bucket list for the Philippines and the world, checklist of provinces in the Philippines, bullet journal pages, budget planner, adulting, and the reverse bucket list. Oh, I'm interested with this. The reverse bucket list. And the mood tracker, the world map, and the power of yet. So we are going to unwrap this and discover them one by one. Great, let's do this. Wow, this actually feels really premium. I don't know if you can see. Okay, I can't wait to share with you guys the inside pages of this planner. So here we go. Alright, since you've reached at this point of the video, thank you for your support. And now I'm going to announce that I'm going to give away my extra planner, Where to Next Planner 2021. So if you want to know the mechanics, I'll be posting one maybe sometime after I upload this video in my social media accounts, Lost Bisaya Boy on Instagram and Lost Bisaya Boy on Facebook. So stay tuned for the mechanics. And again, this has been your Lost Bisaya Boy. Thank you for watching the video. See you again next time. Ciao!